In this quick tutorial, we're setting up email notifications for our Weavly form. I'm going to spare you the creation of the form. I'm assuming you know more about that, or I'll leave a link to a tutorial on using Weavly in general at the top of the video here. But so the goal here is to set up a notification. So somebody fills in your contact form and you want to get an email notifying you that a person filled in the form, or the other way around, you want to notify that person that the submission was received and add some extra info. So the way you set up these notifications is by heading over to the integrations tab, and you'll see this email card here. Just press add and you'll be able to set up your notification. So you have recipients, subjects, and content. Now, there's a couple of things that are important here. You can either just type text. So let's say that I want to send this email to myself, then I can just type a piece of text and that's it. Or you can also use the @ symbol to use one of the form fields. So let's say, for example, that I want to send the email to myself whenever somebody submits, but then I want to have the respondent's name in my subject. You have a new submission from, and then I type in @ and I get this drop down of all the variables. So here it's what is your name is going to be the right question. So you have a new submission from respondent name. And then in the content, the same thing. I can either just type sentences and insert the data that I received, or I can just use all fields here in the content, and then automatically all of the fields are added to my email. So let's go ahead and press create integration and republish our form. Let's fill it in and you'll see how it looks like in my email client. So type in my email address, and then we'll just type hello world as the message and press submit. And let's head on over to the email client. So as you can see, we get an email, you have a new submission, name that I gave in the form, and then we have all of our form data in the email body. So of course, this email goes out to me, but you could also make the email go out to the person that actually filled in the form, again, using the same system with those variables by typing in @. So for the moment, the email itself is rather basic, so it's pure text. If you're looking to have an email which is more customized, we have automation tools that allow you to do that. So automation integrations with Make and Zapier. If you want it natively, don't hesitate to reach out and give us your feedback on the tool.